So I'll see you at Orchard in 10 minutes? 15? 15? Okay, I'll be downstairs. Or in Keely's room. Okay, bye. Good morning. Today's the first day of October. I'm headed down to Orchard Commons for breakfast with Keely and Claire, and I guess Joey's tagging along now. It is so hard to scooter and vlog. I gotta get a longboard. I can't go fast. I have to hold on with one hand. I have to stop every time I want to press start and record and stop. It's just not practical. Since I'm not a resident of Orchard, my key won't get me in here. And that door you can open from the outside. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm here to have breakfast. My breakfast consisted of a burger and onion rings. Because at Orchard, breakfast closes at 10:30, even though
It's up before 10:30.
oh my god.
Someone that
See,
wasn't lit last night.
I complain at Vanier when breakfast doesn't open till 10:30. Here it closes at 10:30. Make up your mind, UBC. Okay, I'll see you guys soon.
Alright, you see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Joey, where did you go? Yeah, why didn't you come to breakfast?
Beach. Went to the beach.
Yeah, why did you go to the beach?
I lost my bandana.
You what?
I lost my bandana.
Dude, I told you.
Looked around everywhere, like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever. Didn't even find it. Must have got blown away in the wind.
Someone decided to do laundry. Got the camera battery all charged up. Got all my stuff ready to go. I think the plan is that Keely, Claire, Joey, and I think what I'm trying to do is just get out of town in the car. We're gonna grab a quick bite to eat before we go. It's 2 o'clock. We might drive up to Lions Bay to check out the water slide kayak shoot thing. Finally made it to Lions Bay, and we just found the slide, and it looks amazing. Like, it looks so fun.
Yeah, so if you fall, it's gonna hurt you.
So the river goes all the way down to the ocean.
Ow.
Way down there. I don't know how much filming I'm gonna do with this guy from up here, just because it looks really slippery down there, but I'm gonna go test it out and hopefully we get some good shots. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Can you see that? That's my local marina. And that cover is from Muskoka. How crazy is that? We had so much fun here. A couple bruises, couple little scrapes. But other than that, so much fun. Nobody got hurt, and we're definitely coming back. The only thing I wish we had was sunshine. More sun, little warmer out, and more people. We couldn't get too many shots with just one kayak. So more kayaks, more people, more sunshine, more fun. I hope you liked those shots. I think the drone shots turned out really well. Anyways, we're packing up. We're all freezing. We're gonna try and warm up in the car, and then we're gonna drive back down to the city for a bite to eat. We'll see you when we get there. Boom. And we're back in the city. Where are we going for dinner?
I forget what it's called now. Basil.
Basil? My cousin showed me this great little pasta bar 2 weeks ago, where you can customize like what kind of noodle you want and what kind of sauce and all the toppings. So we're gonna go check that out.